हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। मैं हूं आपका दोस्त एंड होस्ट मुकेश कुमार। आज हम लोग अगेन अपनी रीडिंग को, राइटिंग को, स्पीकिंग को इम्प्रूव करने वाले हैं थ्रू द रीडिंग। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं विदाउट समय गंवाए हुए। ओके, तो आज की स्टोरी है द स्ट्रेंज वर्ल्ड ऑफ एनिमल। ठीक है, तो चलिए इसको पढ़ते हैं। ALL ऑल, OF ऑफ, YOU, MUST must, BEB, FOND found, OF of, ANIMALS animals। और मेरे साथ भी क्या करिएगा, आप लोग पढ़ते चलिएगा और लिखते चलिएगा। इसको करना है YOUSEECTHEM them, ON TELEVISION television। ओके, television। YOUREAD read, ABOUT about, THEM them, INSTORY story, BOOKS books, KEEP keep, MANY many, OF of, THEM them, ASS PETS pets, AND and SOME some, OF of, YOUU EVEN even, GO go, TO2 THE the, ZOO Jew, TO2 SEEC THESE these, ANIMALS animals, TODAY today, LET let, US us, TALK talk, ABOUT about, SOME some, INTERESTING interesting। क्या है? इंटरेस्टिंग। ANIMALS animals, MOST most, OF of, YOU MUST must, HAVE have, SEEN seen। क्या पढ़ेंगे इसे? seen। CAMEL camel, IF if, NOT not, YOU MUST must, HAVE have, SEEN seen, THE the, PICTURE picture, picture यानी कि image, OF of, CAMEL camel, camel यानी कि ऊंट, IN YOUR your, STORY story, story यानी कहानी, BOOKS books, books किताब, YOU MUST must, HAVE have, NOTICED noticed, THAT that, CAMEL camel, HAS has, BIG big, HUMP hump, ON on, ITS its, BACK back। और क्या है? back। DO do, YOU KNOW no, WHY why यानी क्यों, THEY they, POSSESS possess, HUMP hump, ON on, THEIR there, BACKS backs, WELL well यानी कि अच्छा, CAMELS camels, ARER, FOUND found, MOSTLY mostly यानी कि ज़्यादातर, IN DESERTS deserts, DESERT desert, IS is, VERY very, DRY dry, LAND land, COVERED covered। क्या लिखा है? covered। covered यानी कि ढका हुआ, WITH with, SAND sand, IT it, DOES does, NOT not, RAIN ran, THERE there, AND no, RIVER river, FLOWS flows, THERE there, ARER neither, PLANTS plants यानी कि पौधे, NO nor, WATER water, MILES miles, together एक साथ में, HOWER however, at SOME some, PLACES places, INE the, MIDST mites, OF of, THE the, DESERTS deserts, SMALL small, PUDDLE puddle, OF of, WATER water, IS is, FOUND found, and SORROUNDING surrounding, क्या है ये, surrounding, IT it, THERE there, ARERGREEN green, TREES trees, THESE these, ARERCALLED card, OASIS ओसिस यानी कि उसका जो कुवर है वो, ONLY only, THE the, EXPERIENCED PEOPLE people, KNOW no, WHERE where, THEY they, can, FIND find, SUCH such यानी कि ऐसा, ANN OASIS oasis, and, THAT that, TOO AFTR after, CROSSING crossing, THE the, DRY dry, DESERT desert, FOR for, MANY many, DAYS days, CAMELS camels, ARERTHE the, ONLY only, ANIMALS animals, THAT that, can, WALK walk, UPON upon, THE the, HOT hot, SAND sand, OF of, THE the, DESERTS deserts, THEY they, can, ALSO also, REMAIN remain, WITHOUT without यानी, ठीक है, without, FOUND food, FOOD food, and, WATER water, FOR for, MANY many, DAYS days, THEREFORE therefore, THEY they, ARERTRULY truly, CALLED called, THE the, SHIP ship, OF of, THE the, DESERT desert, PEOPLE people, USEUs, CAMELS camels, FOR for, TRAVELLING traveling यानी कि यात्रा के दौरान, INE SUS such, AREAC reach, BEFORE before, COMMENCING commencing, ITS its, JOUR journey, THE the, CAMEL camel, EATS eats, UP up, LARGE large, QUANTITY quantity, OF of, FWD food, THAT that, FWD food, IS is, stored, stored, in th its its, hump, in the, form, of fat, fat, it, also, drinks, drinks, lot, of water, this, water, is stored, in fleshy, fleshy, bags, called, sacs, sag, says, insides, the stomach, stomach, during, the long, journey, the camel, uses, up, this, food, and water, similary, similarly, elephant, also, has a peculiar, part, on, its, body, that, its, trunk, यानी कि हाथी का सूंड, many, of, might, thinking, that, elephant, drinks, water, thought, through, its, trunk, but, the, fact, is, that, elephant, can not, drawing। आई होप आप लोगों को ये स्टोरी अच्छी लगी होगी। यानी कि स्टोरी है कैमल सम, यानी कि कुछ अच्छे जानवरों के, जैसे कहते हैं कैमल, कैमल यानी कि ऊँट, और हाथी यानी कि कुछ ऐसे जानवरों की विशेषताएं बता रहा है, उनकी यूजेस को बता रहा है। ठीक है, तो अब हम लोग मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। आज का इतना ही, जय हिंद।